Welcome to Vlog 13. My brother Christopher and I are getting ready to hike Buckeye, backcountry snowboarding, so stay tuned. We'll be heading way up that way. Dirt Mcgurt here with Skurt Mcgurt. Hey, Skurt Mcgurt says, hey fellas, we're here in the backcountry on Buckeye, just doing our old backcountry hike. Dirt Mcgurt approves. Stay tuned. We're about 25% of the way up, taking our first little breather. It's beautiful back here.
This is awesome, boys. Buckeye, baby. Wow. Wipeout. We lost the water bottle. Again, we had a blast. It was a workout this time. I think we definitely really earned our turns.
14. Perfection.
When are they perfect?
And they're this color.
Jay claims that that's the perfect colored banana. So I kind of just blew it because I threw that banana peel at someone on the side of the road and yelled Mario Kart, but I totally forgot to film it. Okay, so we're pretty sure that there's going to be a beautiful sunset, so we're rushing to a spot called Swan Mountain Pass where Jade and I shared our first kiss.
We didn't share our first kiss there.
I know, where was it?
Loveland.
No, where was it?
Ski Tubing Hill.
The Tubing Hill. She remembered. Alright, so we're here, Swan Mountain Pass, and it looks like the sun's setting, pretty perfect timing, so I'm going to put it down for a time lapse for you guys. Alright, we have arrived at the dank.
Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor.
We're currently walking into the Pastime, the oldest bar here in Leadville, Colorado. Dates back to 1860. Lots of history up in this place.
When you straight,
straightens it and it goes,
Yep.
you go forward.
What's
you know?
up, Benny?
So Brent's in here telling the story of his torn ACL.
Yeah.
Thank you.
He says this is the best truck you can buy, Toyota. He says all you gotta do is keep them up. You'll get 200-300.
All right, you know what that means. We're going backcountry riding, boys. Got a big storm brewing. All right, backcountry brothers are at it again. Getting ready to pick up my older brother Chris, and we are getting ready to do Mayflower Glades today, through the trees all the way to the highway. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you're digging the channel. We appreciate some feedback, and we also appreciate all the support you guys have shown us. I'm about 180 subscribers away from monetizing. So if you haven't done it yet, please get on there and hit that subscribe button so we can start to make a couple dollars here and there for these videos that we're putting our all into. Thanks again for everything, guys. You're always appreciated. Regardless if you subscribe or not, I still appreciate you. All right, Chris's snowshoe going in. Chris's snowboard.
Yeah, so there's a right side and a left side of the gulch. And the left side they call like the meadows or whatever.
Between 2 and 4 feet's what they're claiming. Dirt Mcgurt and Skurt Mcgurt getting ready to go rip the backcountry, so stay tuned. So we just pulled into the Mayflower Gulch parking lot, and there's not a single car here, and it's a Saturday, so that's very eerie feeling. Getting ready to send it up the trail and way out into the backcountry. Alright, so the trail's been flat for a while, but now we're getting ready to shed a layer because we're getting ready to go pretty good uphill for a while. Okay, so now it's time to start gearing back up properly with all the layers. Getting a little windy up here above the tree line, and starting to get some beautiful views, so stay tuned. All right, Chris, I'm right behind you. I'm heading up.
Earn your turns, baby.
Out here hiking to earn your turns in the backcountry, and water has never tasted better. If you can see the road right at the tip of my finger, that's basically where we started. All right, so we just hit the drop location. I'm gonna put my split board together. We're gonna pack our backpacks properly, and we should have an open run for the first little while and then be in the trees in this enchanted forest for quite some time. I'm gonna let my brother hold the camera a little bit on this drop, so stay tuned and see what that's all about. Here we go. And just like that, the fun is over, and that's the highway right up there. Whew. Another successful backcountry mission with Kurt Mcgurt and Skurt Mcgurt. Backcountry Brothers Unite. When we got down to the base, we didn't have a huge hike to get to the road, so that was ideal. Sometimes you don't end up where you want to, and you got a long way to get out, so we lucked out on that.
Sure did.
Skurt Mcgurt and Kurt Mcgurt signing out.
Them trees were fun.
What'd you say, Skurt Mcgurt?
I said them trees were fun.
Gravy, I don't know where you are, but it is nuking in Colorado. This is the good stuff, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to have a good couple days. Here we are at Quincy's, about to grab that steak. 20-ounce prime rib, baby. What is that thing?
It's beautiful.
One thing about living up here at 10,500 feet in Leadville is you get a lot of snow work to do, so stay tuned to see what that looks like. Ooga booga booga lila. Some pretty good coverage. Waves are firing, it's glassy. I got the surfboard in the back of the truck, and we're getting ready to go shred some powder, so stay tuned.